opened the vibrant cultural performance, a glimpse of the extraordinary talents that our students will continue to display.
Truly, every performance is not just art, it's emotion, dedication, and pride woven together.
फलक पे चमकते सितारों से भी आगे बढ़ना है। हर बच्चे के अरमानों को सच करना ही हमारा सपना है।
Before we proceed further, we would like to present the annual report of our school, a journey through the milestones we have achieved this year.
This report will highlight our students, academic brilliance, co-curricular achievements, sports excellence, scholarships, and the new steps we have taken towards the infrastructure growth and teachers' empowerment.
To begin with the academic report, here is Shirat. I would request everyone to focus on the screen displaying a comparison between our school CBSE result and the overall board averages. As per the performance report issued by CBSE, our school's average stands well above the Haryana state and board average. In class 10, our average score is 74.22% compared to the board average of 68.16%. In class 12, our average score is 75.24%, while the board average is 69.14%. Subject-wise, also our students have outperformed the board averages in both classes. This year, as our school celebrates its 25th year of excellence, our class 10 topper Adarsh lived up to his name by scoring phenomenal 99.4%, breaking all previous school records. He is the topper of Hisar district and also of this division. Others scored a perfect 100 in mathematics, social science and IT, making us all immensely proud. Divya got 97.4%. Hishita obtained 96.8%. Vishakha obtained 96%. Anupam achieved 95.8%, and in total, 25 students scored above 90%. In class 12, Muskan secured the first position with 96.2%, followed by Anuradha 94.4% and Arju 94.2%. Many of our students have earned admission to prestigious medical, engineering and professional institutes across India and abroad. Some of them have sent us video messages. Let's watch them on
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दिव्या है। मैं गांव काटला डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिसार से हूँ। मैंने अपनी 12वीं कक्षा सुखराम मेमोरियल पब्लिक स्कूल से की है। मैं अभी इंदिरा गांधी दिल्ली टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी से बीटेक कर रही हूँ, जिसमें मेरी शाखा कंप्यूटर साइंस इन स्पेशलाइजेशन विद आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है। मेरा अनुभव इस स्कूल में बहुत अच्छा रहा है। यहाँ के टीचर्स बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं और हमें समय समय पर मोटिवेट करते हैं। मेरी प्रिपरेशन के दौरान मेरे सभी टीचर्स ने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया, जिस वजह से जेई क्लियर करने के साथ साथ 12वीं में भी मेरे बहुत अच्छी परसेंटेज आ पाई। आरएस सर और प्रिंसिपल सर समय समय पर बच्चों को मोटिवेट करते हैं। मैं आरएस सर, प्रिंसिपल सर, सभी टीचर्स और अपने पेरेंट्स को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी।
नमस्कार, मैं दीक्षा गांव किरमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिसार की निवासी हूँ। मैंने अपनी 12वीं कक्षा तक की पढ़ाई सुखरा मेमोरियल पब्लिक स्कूल से की है। मैं अभी महाराजा अग्रसेन मेडिकल कॉलेज अग्रोहा में एमबीबीएस कर रही हूँ। सुखरा मेमोरियल पब्लिक स्कूल के सारे अध्यापक और अध्यापिकाएं बहुत सहयोगी हैं, जिन्होंने प्रिपरेशन के टाइम मेरा बहुत साथ दिया और साथ ही साथ डाउट क्लियर करने में भी बहुत सहायता की। आर्य सर और प्रिंसिपल सर ने भी बहुत मोटिवेट किया। इन सब की वजह से मैं अपना नीट पास कर पाई। मैं अपने माता पिता, आर्य सर, प्रिंसिपल सर और सभी अध्यापकों का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनमोल है। मैं गांव कुलेरी जिला हिसार का रहने वाला हूँ। मैं अभी सरदार पटेल मेडिकल कॉलेज से MBBS की पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ। मैंने कक्षा 12वीं तक सुखराम मेमोरियल पब्लिक स्कूल से पढ़ाई की है। मेरा अनुभव स्कूल से में बहुत अच्छा रहा है। यहाँ के टीचर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं और हमें समय समय पर मोटिवेट करते हैं। मेरी प्रिपरेशन के दौरान मेरे सभी टीचरों ने मेरा साथ दिया, जिस वजह से मैं नीट क्लियर कर पाया और 12वीं कक्षा में अच्छे परसेंटाइल ला पाया।
कामयाबी उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
Thank you, Shirat, for the academic report.
As an alumni often say their success belongs as much to their teachers and parents as to their own effort.
We believe that co-curricular activities are the soul of holistic education. They nurture creativity, leadership, teamwork, and the spirit of healthy competitions.
Here is Kavya Sharma to share more about our co-curricular achievements. Our CCA calendar is planned with a wide range of events throughout the year, literary, cultural, and artistic. We conduct declamation contests, poem recitation, plays in Hindi and English, youth parliament sessions, solo singing, poster making, extemporary competition, news anchoring, story writing, spell bee and quizzes in math, GK, social science, and many more. Fun and creative activities like sketching, rangoli making, thali decoration, card making, cooking without fire bring out the imaginations and joy among students. We also celebrate all national and religious festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, Baisakhi, Janmashtami, Dashera, Diwali, Gurupurb, along with special days such as Teachers' Day, Mother's Day, and Children's Day. Visit to industrial units, research laboratory at centers of higher learning or universities. Business and service units are part of their experiential learning. Our NSS unit continues to make a difference through campaigns on plantation, cleanliness, organic farming, and drug de-addiction. They raised a fund of Rs 40,000 for flood victims of Haryana, Punjab, and Himachal Pradesh. In inter-school competitions, our students brought home many laurels and awards. Lavanya Yash secured second position in Hisar Sahodaya declamation contest. Palak won first prize in inter-school poster making competition. Team comprising Palak and Kamal got the winners trophy in inter-school poster making competition. Our GK quiz team of Puneet, Siddharth, and Yogesh secured third position in Hisar Sahodaya GK quiz competition. The 17 students received scholarship in inter-school GK scholarship test. जिंदगी का मजा तब है जब हर मोड़ पर कुछ नया सीखा जाए और हर जीत की मुस्कुराहट सबके बांटी जाए और हर जीत की मुस्कुराहट सबके साथ बांटी जाए. A part-time. They are an integral part of learning.
They build discipline, teamwork, courage, and sportsmanship.
Let's invite Mansi to present the sports report. Championships in Kho-Kho, basketball, volleyball, and football. Students also enthusiastically participated in yoga, aerobics, various track and field events. Indoor competition included chess, carom, and table tennis. The annual Inter-House Athletic Meet scheduled on 6 and 7 December will witness the participation of over 1,000 students and special events for parents and grandparents with by organization. Prachi, a student of class 4, won bronze medal at state level games in wrestling. Aryan, Rahul, Seema, Disha and Vedika qualified for state level games. Our students won 5 gold, 22 silver and 6 bronze medal at district level games. Also, our students were able to grab 55 gold, 62 silver and 6 bronze medal at block level games. Our boys got second position in athletic meet. Our girls Kho-Kho team got third position in Sahodaya championships. जीतने का मजा तभी है जब सबको साथ लेकर चला जाए. खेल का असली अर्थ है हर दिल को जोड़ा जाए.
Thank you, Mansi, for the energetic report.
Scholarships.
15 lakh annually to recognize merit and support need-based students.
Here is Chetna with details. Our school Amsrup Arya and Mrs. Santosh Arya in the honor of their family, friends and mentors. They include Mrs. Chankar Memorial Scholarship, rupees 7 lakh 400 students purely on need basis. Chaudhry Mehar Singh Dalal Memorial Scholarship, rupees 92,700 for best attendant and uniform. Dr. Shivani Ahlawat and Dr. Ajay Hooda Scholarship, rupees 30,000 for board toppers scoring above 95%. Harish Paul Memorial Board Topper Scholarship, rupees 1 lakh for class 11th and 12th achievers. Mrs. Usha Rani Arora and Mr. Baldev Raj Arora Scholarship, rupees 40,000 for 4 meritorious girls in class 11th and 12th. Srimati Ghumani Devi Memorial Topper Scholarship, rupees 1 lakh 3,500 for class 1st to 9th topper. Dr. Ghasiram Verma Mathematics Scholarship, rupees 40,000 for maths topper scoring over 95. Harish Pal Memorial Science Scholarship, rupees 21,000 for science toppers. Chaudhry Mahasingh Jaglan Memorial GK Scholarship, rupees 1 lakh 13,000 for inter-school GK competition. Srimati Ghumani Devi Sports Scholarship, rupees 47,000 for best athlete and medal winners. Many of these scholarships are awarded by our chief guest and guest of honor today. In total, nearly rupees 15 lakh scholarship is awarded every year. Apart from these scholarships, our school management decided to help farmers affected by waterlogging and heavy rain by providing a fee waiver of rupees 30 lakh to students. मेहनत की राह में आने दो हर मुश्किल का सामना, क्योंकि रोशनी सी दिए से आती है जो जलता लगातार है.
Thank you, Chetna, for the inspiring report.
Education flourishes when it is supported by a modern and safe learning environment.
Here is Khushbu to present the infrastructure report.
The Chankar Block, a fully air-conditioned building with modern amenities for our kindergarten students, is fully operational now. Our off-grid solar power system now generates 200 kilowatt, ensuring eco-friendly energy backup, supported by two 160 kilowatt gensets for emergencies. We have introduced interactive flat panels in 15 classrooms, and all other rooms are equipped with smart screen and internet access. Our computer lab has over 40 systems. The library has more than 7,000 books, and the Ghumani Devi block is entirely dedicated to dance, music, art and drama. We also have separate fully equipped physics, chemistry and biology laboratories. We are deeply committed to introduce innovative pedagogies through continuous teacher empowerment. Regular trainings, workshops and collaboration ensures that our teachers become catalysts for the change. On our Silver Jubilee, the school management has decided to organize many inter-school competitions every year so that students of all private and government schools can get a bigger platform to showcase their talents. The school will sponsor all expenses and cash prizes of these competitions. The beginning has been made by poster making, declamation contest in Hindi and English for various age groups and GK quiz. ज्ञान का दीप तभी जलता है जब वातावरण उजाला दे, सपनों की उड़ान तभी होती है जब आधार संभाला दे. Thank you, Khushbu, for the infrastructure report.
All these accomplishments, academic excellence, co-curricular success, scholarships and the infrastructure growth are possible only because of the visionary leadership and blessings of our founders.
Their constant motivation is passion.
मंजिल मिले या ना मिले, सफर खूबसूरत होना चाहिए. हर साल नई रोशनी में हमारा विश्वास और मजबूत होना चाहिए.
With this spirit, we move ahead into another year of learning, growing and achieving together. Thank you and Jai Hind.